We're then going to go into the chest opener, which is all about stretching and opening your chest. We're going to put our arm in a rectangular shape against the wall. It is slightly below our shoulder, but the higher up we go in this exercise, the more the stretch is going to move from our pec to our pec minor, the smaller muscle in our pectoralis, in our chest. So we have a small chest muscle and we have a big chest muscle. So you can choose where you want to stretch in your chest, the mid part or the upper part, according to how high your elbow is going to be. You're going to keep that vertical line with your forearm against the wall, and we're simply going to step away from the wall, pushing forward. This is going to naturally open and pull our chest open. Press away, not moving your arm away from that wall. One more time, pressing and opening. And if you feel that you need to stay in that stretch for longer, remember the concept of the 3 points of tensions. Stay in there, inhaling. Exhale and see if your chest will allow you to go further. Inhale, stay. Breathe into your tension in your chest. And then exhale, go further. On the third one, we give it one more chance to release. And the exhale returns us back. Let's go to the other side. And if you give it a moment, you really feel the difference between the side that has been worked and the side that is still longing to get some attention. Your arm again is aligned with your shoulder and with your hips. And you're going to again step forward. I suggest you step forward with the leg that is closest to the wall because it's the one that's going to give you the biggest stretch. And then we return back. Again, step forward, keep your body open, keep your forearm really glued against that wall, and you return. Let's do one more. Step forward in your perfect Pilates posture. Let's do our 3 points of tensions. Breathing in there. Find the spot that needs to release. Exhale, see if we can go further. Inhale, stay. Exhale, aim to go further. And we have one more. Inhaling into the tension. And the exhale returns us back. Anybody who tends to be a little bit more rounded in their shoulders often will experience and have a chest that is tight, impairing any opening or any extensions. So opening and stretching your chest should never be underestimated and is an excellent and perfect exercise for you to feel more open and have more breath available to you through your chest.